Last year, our festive celebrations were super low-key because we were adjusting to the life with a newborn, sleepless nights and all. But this year, things feel so much more special. Like Tejbe is already one. We are excited to celebrate this festival this year. Like even though we are not Christians, but we love togetherness that Christmas brings. So today we are taking you along as we celebrate Christmas in our own way. Like we will be visiting Christmas market, then decorating a Christmas tree. It's my third year in Germany, but this is the first time that we are bringing a Christmas tree at home. Of course, it's not an actual real Christmas tree. We managed to bring in a plastic Christmas tree, and because Tejbe is so active, he almost picks up everything possible on the floor and he starts eating it. So we don't want the leaves to be falling down and him eating those leaves. This is going to be the year's first festival that we will be celebrating in a slower pace, possibly enjoying each and every step of building our Christmas tree. Then we are also doing a small Christmas photo shoot with Tejbe. Let's see how it goes. So this is my tree now with two layers, bottom and mid layer, and it has snow inside now. Okay, so Joe has been celebrating Christmas here in Germany for 10 years now, and this is my third year in Germany and also my third Christmas. But this is a second Christmas for our baby. Not there. Beautiful.
Ja, da. Tak. Time to eat some churros. Let's start.
Yaptığı psikolojik şiddet